Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Jackie. I know I've been away for some time, but I'm back and better. So today is a Sunday and I just wanted to show you my Christian girl routine on Sunday. Let's get started. So that's me right there. I usually do laundry on Sunday because I always have a bunch of clothes. I always have bed sheets and all that, so I usually find it easier for my laundry to be done on Sunday. So very early in the morning, this is what I usually do. I do coffee and lemon tea. I don't take bread and all that. I don't take anything like edible in the morning because I'm trying to do intermediate fasting to lose weight. Ever since I stopped working out, I regained my weight back, guys. Oh my god, weight. It's not easy. Working out and maintaining a schedule is not easy, guys. It's one of the hardest things. So I started my journey again, losing weight. So that is what I usually do. I do lemon, I squeeze it, and I get coffee and put warm water and I take. That is how I start my day. Yeah. I will always be with you in my heart. I will miss you forever. My days are long, my nights so cold. So next to picking my outfit, the bag I'll hold and the shoes. So those are few of the bags I have. Yeah, I'm a fashion designer. I did fashion and design, so looking good is part of me. So I have to get something that will match my church dress. Those are going to be the shades I'll have. So those are the shoes. I also have to pick something that will match my dress. So those shoes will work for me. Yeah. And that bag will be the perfect match for my dress. I will always be with you in my heart. I will miss you forever. My days are long, my nights so cold. I miss your touch, baby. I miss your love. I'm coming home. So that's the full attire. That is my church outfit. Yeah, I look smart. Every stage and every song I play, every fan that was. Yeah, so that's me heading out. I'm actually with my dad. He's the one driving. I usually love attending the second service. It's favorable for me. I'm not so good with waking up very early in the morning for the first service, so the second service is always the best for me. Yeah. I miss your side. Is wonderful. I'm coming home. Those that have been following my channel for some time, you realize that I love cooking. I just love cooking. So after the service, I decided to cook some pork for myself and my family. Yeah, I'm using the local way, using charcoal, and I enjoyed it. So that's my sauce. So basically that is how my day ended. This is how I always spend my Sunday cooking. That's my rice and matoke as usual, and that's my pork. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. I will always be with you in my heart. I will miss you forever.